Dr. Shan. Let's continue our Google Classroom makeover. In today's quick tutorial, we're going to talk about how to use the most coveted real estate on Google Classroom more effectively. That's right, the stream. The first thing we have to do is rethink the purpose of the stream. The stream is the social hub of Google Classroom. It is the place where we post announcements, celebrate students, post fun videos and pictures. Well, you might be asking yourself, what about classwork? Nope, classwork does not belong on the stream. Cleaning up the stream to ensure that it is the social hub of your classroom is easy. In the top right corner of your Google Classroom, you'll notice a gear symbol. Click here. The gear symbol takes us to our class settings. When you scroll down, we're going to focus on the general portion. Looking at the line item that says stream, you'll see that you have three options. 1, students can post and comment. 2, students can only comment. Or 3, only teachers can post or comment. This element is up to you. It really depends on how social you want your students to be. This depends on the age and maturity of the student and also your needs for the types of things that you want them to post. So I'm going to select students can post and comment. Why? Because for my 9th grade students, I do allow them to post pictures and other things on the stream to truly make it as social as possible. The next line item says classwork on the stream. This item is not optional, as we want our stream to only be the social hub of our classroom. Plus, it does get kind of cluttered when we have all of the classwork on the stream. And quite honestly, it's pretty redundant when we can have the students view the classwork under classwork. So where it says show condensed notifications, we're going to change that to hide notifications. And voila! Once you hit save, your stream will be free of all classwork notifications. You may be wondering, how will my students know what classwork to complete if it does not appear on the stream? Well, that's where the classwork tab comes in. Check out the next quick tutorial to get a full understanding of how to use this tab more effectively.